Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Now what you're seeing right now is a TikTok video, and I know you're very familiar with this kinds of video, a Reddit story or Reddit background with a story behind it. And basically this is just one of the most famous TikTok trends right now. Because on this video, I'm gonna teach you how to create viral TikTok videos with OneClik AI. What I mean by that is this AI right here, so it's literally called OneClik. And this should be the landing page you should be seeing on your end. As you can see right here, this is the split screen, and this is going to be the caption itself. Those are very famous part of a TikTok video. So once you're here, simply click on try for free. So once inside, this is how you should do it. By the free trial option, we have 3 trials if I'm not mistaken. As you can see right there, there are 3 tokens. So before we get started, I want to show you the pricing. I'll see you once in there. So welcome back. This is the pricing right now. We have the starter for $23. It's a huge amount, guys, and this is billed yearly as $278. For the monthly, here it is. I think yearly is much cheaper. Anyway, it's really expensive because it's a really good tool. So I'm gonna see you once back on the dashboard. So now we're back in the dashboard. Click on create new video, and this is what I mentioned earlier. We have a template type for AI video, split screen, Reddit, and chat story. Since we only have 3 generation credits, I'm not quite sure how many we can make here, but I'm gonna go first with the split screen. So choose the split screen and choose a background video. I'm gonna go with Minecraft here. Go for next. Select a language and you're gonna have 2 options. You can either upload your video from your PC or computer or paste your YouTube URL. In this part, I'm gonna choose my exact YouTube video and click on pull video. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now, I have this pulled up. There is a preview. I'm just going to lessen the minutes to make it much more shorter, just for the sake of discussion. I think I'm going to place this one right there and generate video. I'm just showing you how it works here, so click generate video right there. This will take 2 to 5 minutes. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Right now, you'll see on the preview here, as you can see right there, there are auto caption being figured. If I click on close right there and just figure out on the metrics on the left side, you can choose the font style, the font size right there, text format, text styles right here. Everything is for your own choosing. Subtitles right there, audio, of course, you can choose your own audio, or you can choose the background music on this option right there. So you're in a free trial, subscribe to make videos without watermark. Just a disclaimer, as you can see on the preview, we have a watermark. To remove that one, please go on the paid subscription. Once you're satisfied with everything here, click on download. And basically, you'll have this video on your PC with no problem at all. So we already finished the split screen. We have 2 more credits. Let's go back on videos to create 1 more. So let's try another example here. I'm gonna go for Reddit video. This one right there. Again, guys, same process. I'm gonna choose Subway Surfer now. Click on next. And for this one, as you can see, it's different in the UI. The option here is different, so fill automatically script from the video URL, or you can type your script. On this option, I prepared a script. I have used ChatGPT for this one. I'm going to go to it right now. So I've used ChatGPT to create some topics here. I'm going to click on this one, and then go back on Click AI. Now once you're here, click paste right there, and then you can translate script to hook or select a voice. For this one, you can choose Adam, Alice, and so much more. I'm going to go with Adam. For username and profile picture, you can choose it right there. And for the Reddit template preview, it's going to be here. So for the username, I'm going to type in Leslie or sample username. As you can see right there, you can edit it properly. For the hook, you can tamper right there, hook sample, caption, whatever you like to see fit. For the profile picture, of course, you can change the Reddit logo right there. Now once you're satisfied, for example right there, everything is good. You have everything you need here, and then click translate to script hook, select a language for English. We still cannot do that. I think we need to choose a profile picture. I'm gonna go with this one. I'm just gonna look for a profile picture. I'm gonna go with that guy right there. And with that being said, everything is good here. Simply click on generate video, and I'll see you once inside. So welcome back to the video. Right now, this is gonna be our preview. Same drill, you're still seeing the watermarks right there. To remove the watermark, go for the paid subscription. Also, same process here, you can choose a text style, outline, and shadow right there. Even adjust the speed. For example, if I maximize it out, click on play, you'll see right there everything is very fast. So that being said, simply click on download video and you're good to go. And basically that's it. That is how you make viral videos on TikTok with OneClik AI. Specifically, literally speaking, OneClik is really OneClik AI. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.